So we have advanced weather technology, we have grid technology, we have real-time information, smart grid, information readily available to us that we want to provide to you through our app and our website. As we get information, as things are provided to us, we want to provide it to you. And by the way, that information updates every 10 minutes. So it's real-time information that we'll provide to you to keep you up to date on how we're restoring customers, weather, estimated restoration times, everything. But there's a lot of planning that goes into meeting with reliability and doing studies to look at the outages to our customers, what areas are being impacted the most and why. We want to ensure they know the resources available to them, our website that they can go on and get information on outages and weather that may be coming their way. Using our mobile app, you can get some of that same information there too. Also, having an emergency preparedness kit with water, non-perishable goods, and make sure you have enough resources for 3 days, and ensuring that you're keeping yourself and your family safe.